Woo! Finally got the
I like
package.
this one.
See what's inside.
Alright. Okay, so I don't know.
Sorry, Selen. Gaming first. Disclaimer, I'm not really much of a keyboard enthusiast. I am just unboxing and sharing my experience of the thingy. What? I just bought this keyboard last year, which is fairly recent. I got it in a big discount, and I mean a big discount. Well, let's talk about that later. Right now, we need the specs and the name of the unit. It is called the Gigaware KG1 Mnemonix Full 104 Keys Hot Swappable RGB Backlight Mechanical Gaming Keyboard with strap. Ooh, that was a lot to take in. And here are the specs. But let's go to the most important specs of all. Is it hot swappable? Yes. Is it RGB? No. I can't seem to change the colors using the macro software that they gave me. Or maybe I just don't know how it works. Can somebody tell me, please? How does this work? Anyways, let's go to the cost of the unit. Here we see the item costs $1,321.99. But don't be alarmed. In Freedom units, it's $20 or $22. So it's pretty cheap. Especially that vouchers. Look, I have so much voucher. Hey guys, I am back. Forgot to tell you something. The switches on this keyboard are actually Outemus, so they might fit the Cherry MX keycaps, but not the Cherry MX themselves. I don't really know. I just want a mechanical keyboard. Transition to typing.
Oh shit. Oh shit. That's pretty good.
Conclusion? It's okay. Only buy this if you want a hot swappable keyboard and you want to replace your keycaps. That's it. I'll be also doing an update on what happens after, I don't know, 3 months or 2 months. Actually, I've been recording this in 2021, so hello future people. I'll be seeing you very soon because I have a bad news for you guys.